we're live.
Okay, here we are. We are on the way to downtown Disney. We're live. And we are driving into the Simba parking lot. And we are coming in off Disneyland Drive and turning left right before the Paradise Pier, which from what I understand, Paradise Pier is actually open. And we are going to give an update on exactly how much it costs to park at the Simba parking lot now to go to downtown Disney. So we got our ticket here. Here's the ticket. So first hour is $10, and then you get 3 hours with a validation for if you spend $20 in one of the shops, and you get 5 hours if you go to a sit-down restaurant, which is what we're doing. So that means it'll cost us $10 to come in. If we came just for shopping, we'd have to spend $20, and that would give us 3 hours. Now, if you don't do any of that, if you just park here, it's $14 an hour. So it's $10 for the first hour and then $14 every portion of an hour after that. Or the max is $66. So if we are here all day, it's 66 bucks.
I just keep looking because I want to see a Big the Foot hanging off here.
What Big the Foot? Oh, I don't have a Big the Foot. Oh, out in the woo. We need a Big the Foot. Okay, it's 1:59. Do you think we can park in the 2 p.m. spots? I think so. Right? Here we go into the 2 p.m. slots.
I say yes.
Yes, it's 1:59. They will not come and tow us for money.
Plus we're a carpool technically, right?
Oh, we are a carpool. That's right. And how do they know? Anyway, well, you have to have a sticker probably. Okay, so we got a pretty good spot. So it doesn't look too crowded here in Simba parking lot. And we take our ticket with us. Because if you do lose this ticket, see the ticket here? Simba parking lot. If you lose this ticket, you pay the max, which is $66.
Wow.
So do not lose this ticket. So I will be putting this in my wallet. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, so this is the way to walk in. Oh, look, you can walk on any side now. There's no more social distancing. There's no more specific way to go in or specific. Remember how there were lines on the ground?
I mean, I wonder if there's still. Well, look at that parking lot.
No, the parking lot is full.
Yeah.
But look at how we could walk on the left or the right. Remember how before you had to go in one way and out the other way?
Right.
That's gone. Wow, that's all changed. Look, so I guess we still go through the security check, which they will not let me videotape. You cannot videotape
Really?
going through where the dog or
Yeah.
through the security. That's not allowed. So I will turn off the camera. But wouldn't you say 90% no mask or 80%?
Yeah, it's
80, 90% no mask, 10 to 20% mask. I don't know about these decorations. What do you think of these? I think they're scary.
That's nice.
I know, but look, like his hand is chopped off from his foot, like his head. Oh, this is goofy. You have to line it up just right to see him, because see how he's all spread out? They're very weird. Like, look at here's Daisy Duck, and her head is floating over here. Let's see what they have. Okay, appetizer. Edamame, no pig and fig. Well, I could do a margarita pizza. You want to do that?
Yeah.
I don't want pepperoni. That's my
No,
thing.
that's fine.
Okay, and there it is, the Southern Goddess salad. Yum! That's the best thing on the menu. Wow, we can go inside. Did we have to sit outside last time? Oh no, we were able to go in. Okay, so we got the Margarita Pizza, which Zoxala's not gonna like. It's got the big globs of cheese. But it's hot, it's fresh, right? It's not old. But he doesn't like those globs of cheese. Anyway, I think it looks really good. And then this is the Goddess salad, which is amazing. You can see it's got like chicken strips cut up, and then egg and avocado. And we got it split, so that's actually one salad they put in 2 bowls. So here's how they validated the parking. You can see they just put Splitsville across it. So that gives us 5 hours of parking for $10. Okay, so here's the parking self-pay. So from what I understand, you can go up and put your ticket in there and pay for your ticket right now. So we could do that, but I'm not going to because it doesn't give you any advantage at all, because you still have to wait in line to go on the way out, even if you prepaid. So there's no reason to do that. So it's basically $10 for 1 hour, $10 for 3 hours if you buy something for $20 in a shop, or $10 for 5 hours if you eat at a restaurant like we did. Or you pay $14 per hour, up to $66. So you really wouldn't park here to do that ever. So what's the verdict? I guess if you like walking and you pay $25 and you park in Mickey and Friends, if you like taking the bus or you don't mind taking the bus, it's $25 for Toy Story. Or if you want to save the most money, you park at Garden Walk, which is free the first hour, and then $3 every hour after that for a maximum of $30. But if you are staying the whole day, Toy Story or Mickey and Friends is cheaper, $5 cheaper. But this, you really don't want to park here for that. You would park here if you're shopping or eating. I guess that's it. If you're shopping and eating, $10.